Welcome everyone to Tracy Tips, your cozy corner for simple little tricks that make a big difference. Now tell me, haven't we all heard this advice over and over? You should replace your toothbrush every 2 to 3 months to protect your oral health. But after swapping it out, have you ever hesitated before tossing that old toothbrush away? Today, I'm going to share a few gentle secrets with you, because that old toothbrush might just become your trusty little helper around the house. Let's explore some wonderfully clever ways to reuse it, shall we? Your old toothbrush into a magical cleaning wand for the sink. The kitchen sink gets daily use, making it easy for grime and odors to build up around the pipes and drain, especially in summer. Since sponges can't reach tight spots, simply repurpose an old toothbrush to scrub those areas clean. Just cut the tip of the toothbrush at an angle, and you've got a small cleaning brush that works wonders. It can slip deep into the drain pipes, and those hidden corners, a sponge just can't reach. Gently scrub around the drain edges and watch the grime break loose and rinse away, leaving your kitchen smelling fresh and sparkling clean. Clean, narrow-neck bottles and small-mouth glasses with one simple bend. Have you ever struggled to clean the inside of tall, narrow-necked bottles or slim glasses? Especially the bottom part. That grime can build up and affect your health. Don't worry, just grab an old toothbrush and try this hack. Hold the toothbrush over a small flame. Once the plastic softens, gently bend it to a right angle and hold for about 10 seconds to let it cool and set. Now you've got a custom bottle brush that reaches all the way to the bottom. In seconds, old food stains disappear, leaving your bottles and glasses sparkling like new. Clean your blender without spending a dime. Cleaning a blender can be a pain, especially the base where the blades are. It's hard to reach and rinse thoroughly. But don't worry, use that bent toothbrush we just made. With its angled head, your old toothbrush can now reach into every little corner of the blade area. Just give it a gentle scrub around the base and blades, rinse with warm water, and watch even the toughest residue melt away, restoring your blades to a shiny, like new state. Rinse your brush and let it dry after each use. It'll be ready to go next time you need it. Clean inside the toilet drain. A healthier home for the whole family. There's one spot in the toilet we often forget to clean, inside the drain pipe. It's dark, hidden, and a perfect place for bacteria. Here's how to clean it with your old toothbrush. Hold the toothbrush near the head over a flame until the plastic softens. Then bend it at a right angle and hold until it cools. Now scrub the inside of the toilet drain, and you'll see magic happen. Stains vanish and bad smells disappear. With just a few thoughtful movements, your bathroom becomes clean, fresh, and safe. Clean your hairdryer. Take care of the tools you love. Ever notice dust building up on the back vent of your hairdryer? It blocks airflow and over time can cause your dryer to fail. The vent is small and hard to clean, but here's an easy fix. Use your old toothbrush to scrub gently over the vent screen. It's quick and simple, and saves you from buying expensive cleaning tools or disassembling the device. Just a few swipes, and your hairdryer is running quietly and blowing strong air again. Clean your hairbrush. Care for your hair from the little things? Your daily use hairbrush might look clean, but it traps oils and dust that aren't good for your hair. A quick rinse under water won't do the trick. Try this with your old toothbrush. Rinse your brush, add a few drops of shampoo to the toothbrush, and gently scrub the spaces between the bristles. The toothbrush bristles sneak into those small areas and lift out the dirt. Rinse again with clean water. Now you can brush your hair worry-free, knowing it's not picking up old grime. Don't forget to clean your brush regularly. Clean refrigerator seals. Keep your kitchen fresh and safe. Did you know those rubber seals around your fridge door easily trap dust and bacteria? Especially in those tiny grooves where a regular cloth just won't work. Dip the toothbrush head into a little dish soap, then gently scrub along the seal. The bristles sneak into those small gaps effortlessly, making cleanup so much easier. Wipe off with a damp cloth, and your fridge seals are spotless. Be sure to save this tip for your next deep clean. Clean your keyboard. Keep your workspace tidy and inspiring. When's the last time you cleaned your computer keyboard? It collects a surprising amount of dust in the tiny spaces between keys that wipes can't reach. Just use your old toothbrush to gently sweep between each key. Dust will fly right out. Then turn the keyboard upside down and tap gently to shake out remaining debris. In just minutes, your keyboard is shiny and clean again. Doesn't it feel good to work at a fresh, tidy desk? See? That useless old toothbrush can actually perform magic in your home. If you found these little tricks helpful, Don't forget to hit the like button and share them with your loved ones. And subscribe for more clever tips like these to keep your home cozy and clean.